Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna make a juice with ginger, apple, zucchini and mint. And the mint that we're using is this mint, not the fine leaf one, this one. So we're gonna add kale, and remember guys, I made the purple kale the last time, so I'm gonna make this green kale this time. So let's get into the washing of all my fruits, and I'll come back to you in a few minutes. So everything is washed, and I'm gonna use just this piece of the ginger, and of course I'm gonna cut it up and add it to the kale. I want the ginger as fine as ever because it will clog the juicer. So what I do, I use the apples first. I put the ginger at the bottom and put a few apples through, and the apple trash, just push everything through. So there we have our kale, and we don't necessarily have to cut the zucchini out. I'll just cut it. So we're going to have one zucchini, and we're going to have some thyme. This is good for mucus, so this drink that I'm making today is good for mucus. So I don't want to use too much thyme. I'm just going to take the leaves off like that and leave the stick. So we just want the leaves. And guys, I was in the middle of this video when I get a call. I'm not supposed to go to work today, and guys, you know I do my videos on Fridays. Yesterday I was so tired, couldn't do a video, so now I'm going to work 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna have to hurry up and get this video so that you guys can have something to watch. I think I'm gonna use my Cora, medium size Cora, and just core the apples quickly. Oh, let's try this. The other day I tried something and I realized that it pushes it out eventually. You see? So I'll do another one. Then we're gonna get into our juicing. Apple a day keep the doctor away. You know, sometimes can use a small core and push in there and get it out. And guys, if you want to plant apple, this is a good way to plant apple seeds. So I'm not going to throw them away, I'm going to put them around the back. So we're going to add our lemon. This helps to alkalize the body. flush out toxin. So we're gonna get into our juicing right now, and I'm not throwing away my lemon skins. I'm gonna put the skins in here, and I'm gonna put some hot water on it and make myself a nice cup of tea. Guys, they are all ready, and someone was asking me if this was the big mouth juicer. No, this is the Coven Auto 10, not the big mouth. The big mouth, I'll show it to you another day. Or maybe I should just take it down. Let me try and see if I can take it down. But this is the big mouth that he was asking me about. This is the big mouth. This is the Coven. So now you see the difference, okay? So now we're going to open the lid. And we're going to put some ginger in. And we're going to put the apple in. So the apple can, get the ginger. Push the ginger out. So we're going to start by packing in the apples above. Let me give you a close-up look. So here we are. We're going to put the zucchini in, lemon, kale. Hope you can all see. We're going to close our lid and we'll start our juicing. The ginger, kale, thyme apple juice is a potent, nutrient dense, and it's very powerful. It helps the immune system and antioxidant protection of anti-inflammatory benefits. So ginger is famous for stimulating digestive enzymes, setting the stomach and easing bloating. Meanwhile, the apples promotes a healthy gut bacteria. So who wouldn't want to try this drink? And with the kale, it lowers blood pressure and it helps to clean your gut. So this is one lovely, powerful drink. So this drink, you can get vitamin C and K, and I don't use sugar in my juice. I use apple to sweeten it, and it is so good. So you can also use your Granny Smith apple, which is nice. And now we have a half mixing bowl, and I love using my Coven Auto 10 because it doesn't throw off any heat to kill the nutrients in the drink as to the NutriBullet, which does that. So combining the kale and the ginger creates a nutritional powerhouse that boosts the immunity and reduce the inflammation and aids in digestion. Look at how the juice looks so nice, rich and green. This is something everybody should try. So now our mixing bowl is almost full, and we are going to let our juice out. Now we are going to let out our first batch of juice. Look at that. And the thyme in it helps to get rid of mucus with the ginger and the kale and the apple and the lemon. This is a powerhouse drink. Close our smart cap and continue. We're going to put some more fruits in the juicer. We want to see if we can put more of the ginger in, because we don't want it to clog the juicer. I just cut them up fine. I see people put the whole ginger in. I've never tried it. I might try it off camera one day though, to see if it works. So we're gonna pack some apple in, and we're gonna pack more kale in, and we're gonna go again. So we want to cushion the apples at the top here. And we're gonna put some thyme, rest of thyme leaves in it. Remember, it's just this kind of thyme. So I think I should just go and look up the name of the thyme. Hold on, guys. Name of the thyme is marjoram thyme. So we're gonna close our lid. It has a funny name, I didn't remember, so I went and looked on my notes. So let's go. So here we are on the second batch of juice. Don't know how much you're gonna get out of this, but the marjoram thyme is very good. You know, instead of making a mucus or tea from the thyme, I add it to the drink. When it's raw, it's better because sometimes the heat kills the nutrient from the juice or from the tea. So you can make a tea, but I get more benefit out of making everything fresh. And when you go more raw, it's better. So here we are. We have a little bit of juice in the mixing bowl, and of course the trash is coming out at the side. So now you can have a look at the top. Everything is just moving around smoothly and giving us the nice juice that we want. Let's try out some of the trash. Look at this trash, it's dry as. So kale helps to boost your eyesight. It has a high amount of beta carotene in it, which the body converts to vitamin A. This juice also releases natural electrolytes like potassium, which help to maintain fluid balance in the body and prevent fatigue. So guys, run on and get a juicer and try and make some juice. It is very healthy and it's very good for you. Guys, if you have thyroid problem, please stay away from kale juice. Okay, do your research and please check. Let's look at some of the trash. It's very dry and our mixing bowl is almost full, and you know that we are going to let out our juice. Now we're going to let out our second batch of juice. Look at that. Wow. So if you're suffering from high blood pressure and you want to clean your gut and you want to restore your energy and everything, this drink is for you. Special shout out to MTC. Special shout out to Freakers Design. Please go over and watch those videos on their channel. So let's get into the continuation of this juice. So we're going to close our smart cap. Let me wipe it off from the trash off my fingers. And we're going to continue our juicing. So vegetable like kale, broccoli, cabbage can disrupt the thyroid glands. So please guys, do your research. Now we have half a mixing bowl and we have 1 jug. So this is going to be the finishing up of this video. I'm just getting out the last bit of fruits in our juicer. Kale has much more protein than 8 times iron, trust me. So this is a real powerhouse drink. We are gonna let out our third batch of juice. Look at that. So now we're gonna start our serving. So let's get straight into that. And remember to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment in my video. So now we are gonna serve our drink, and I want to cut 2 pieces of lemon. Let's hope they will fall up on the glass. Okay, so let's pour our drink, and I've used some kale to decorate around it, or in front it, whichever you want to call it. And we are going to just slice this a bit and put here. I'm going to turn the glass like that, and we're going to do the same thing with the next one. Okay, let me change this. Yep, this is better. Yep, that's better. So I'm gonna get my straw, 2 straw. We're gonna pop them in. Yep. So that's going to be the end of our video. Sorry about the noise. And I think too much green on the board, so we're just gonna leave it at that. Because all the other ingredients that I use is green, so we're gonna just maybe try and put a few pieces of lemon on the board also. Yeah, that will kind of pop the green. Yeah, that looks nice. So guys, like, share, comment. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.